Hey everybody, welcome back to Walk Drop. Let me explain to you guys why it's been such a long time. Recently, the old kitchen that we used to work from was in my old apartment, and we sold the old apartment and bought a new place back in the neighborhood that I actually spent 17 years in and really love. So we bought a new place, renovated the whole place, and made a whole new kitchen. So we've got a new walk drop kitchen, so sorry for the delay, but today we're going to give you an introduction to our new kitchen. Yeah, so although I love the old kitchen that I used to work in, one of the benefits of renovating this place that we bought is that I could actually start the kitchen from scratch and choose the exact kitchen that I want to have, always want to have right from the beginning. So now I'm kind of in my dream kitchen, and it's not just a kitchen, it's also the new living room. It's also this, we built a beautiful deck with a beautiful tea table, and it all because the kitchen and the living room and the whole deck / tea table area is all on the same level, and the doors all open up, so it's all kind of incorporated as one. So we've got a beautiful environment to not only just cooking, but to hang out with our friends and family and people that we love and people that are close to us, and make more good food and have more good times. Okay, so this is the thing that's common in Asia, not so common in the West, but you have sections in the floor where you can actually if you've made pickled vegetables, or you want to store spices, or you want to store tea or anything like that where you don't want the heat to be going up and down too much, you can actually put it in the floor. And in a lot of Japanese houses, they have when you open up, they have one little single box that you can use to put whatever you want in there. But what was so unique about this place when we found it was that it's actually got 4 different it's got 4 different cupboards, so you can actually roll them. They're on rollers, so you can have your spices here, your your pickled vegetables here, your tea here, any type of clay pot, any type of clay pot, for example, for the hot pots, or for boiling medicinal soups and stuff, you can store it all down below, and they're all on rollers, so it'll keep it cool and keep the spices at the right temperature, and the clay pots at the right temperature for over the whole year. So the tabletop, yeah, the workbench that we work with here actually came from Iran, and this workbench here, you can actually work straight off the bench, right? So you can cut on the bench, you can knead dough on the bench, you can do anything you want to do on the bench. You don't actually, if you don't want to, you don't actually have to have a cutting board. Yeah, okay, so next thing, the spice rack, right? So the spice rack here, this was actually just a wall. And in my original plan, I wanted to get the wall taken out, wanted to get the wall taken out, and so it would open up the kitchen more. But because of the structure of the new place, this wall wasn't able to be taken out. But the designer that we talked to, he was like, oh, you know, what we can do is we can build like a shelf rack in here, which you can put all your spices on. And the shelf rack can be adjustable, so you can adjust like the rack to any size, like to incorporate any spices or whatnot that you've got going on. So this has been a great addition, just to have the spice rack just right next to where this is my workbench. The spice rack's right here. Instead of having to like go grab spices, take them out, I can just go bring it straight off the spice rack onto like the workbench where I'm working at. And then also we've got like a, finally got like a professional range. One of the major benefits about being able to design my own kitchen is the range. Because my old house, the range that was in there was just like a standard range, but I was actually able to choose the range that I want to use this time, and so I could choose like a full-on professional range. So it just gives you so much more options, way more power, and it's just so much easier to clean, it's so much easier to use, and it's just designed for like professional cooking. So although it might just look like the normal kind of range, like this range has so many more options, so many more benefits, and it's so much easier to use. And as far as it goes, because I cook a lot of like private parties and private dinners, it's just so much quicker to get the actual job done. Like for example, my old range, it would take about 5 to 6 minutes to boil like a full wok of water. This is like 1.5 minutes. You can pump out dishes, how much quicker you can get the things that you need done if you're actually like cooking in a professional environment for people. So anyway, being able to design this whole kitchen, being able to design the whole living room, the whole like balcony with the tea table, sets our wok drop up for a beautiful future. So look forward to bringing you guys many more beautiful dishes, and sharing like yeah, like I think I might, even on that tea table out there, I think we might start getting a podcast going. So 八角 is star anise. Okay, so star anise to Mark, and he's going to break down in much more detail about all of the benefits of this spice for you. And yeah, it's starting to look good. It's starting to look real good. Going on taste it. Turn the heat off. What up, walk it up. Spicy.
All the spices.
小笼包。Yeah, this one good.
好像挺逗，那挺逗。
请人带好随身物品，祝您旅途愉快。
我就不要这个，我要那个了。他不是你的，哎。
已经睡醒到，对，我没有办法可以回来，所以这是我们的第一次。